Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today I'll be teaming up with RoyalMe to bring you another glueless wig install. Now what I love about this company is their attention to detail when it comes to their packaging, custom logo ribbon, also the tissue paper is custom, and of course the packaging is super nice. They included 2 headband wigs for you guys and I'm definitely going to be rocking this blue one today and you'll see that in just a moment. So this one here is going to be a headband wig in the length 40 inches. Yes, you heard me correctly, 40 inches, and it's going to be super simple and easy to install and maintain, and I'm going to show you all of that in just a moment. Also, here's a look at the inside construction of the cap. They give you 3 combs in the front and a larger one in the back. They fit super comfortable and smooth on the head. They're not going to tangle at your hair or rip your hair out or anything like that. But of course, you guys know you can take an eyebrow razor and cut those out if you don't like them. I'm going to be plopping my wig on my mannequin head and installing her right here for you guys, and you're going to see how super and easy it is to style as well as install. Now I'll admit I have been rocking this wig off camera. I definitely wanted to give it a test, especially because it's 40 inches in length. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't going to tangle or shed or be bad quality hair. It's actually 100% human hair. It can be worn in the wavy crimped texture you'll be seeing in just a moment, or you can straighten it out and wear it that way as well. You can even add some curls to it, so it's definitely a diverse wig to rock. And as you guys can see, the curls are coming back super simple and easy. I've been using the method with the Nairobi, and I just like to put a massive amount in the hair. You may notice that I'm using a lot more product in this hair versus others because it is nice and thick, and it's also so long that it's definitely going to take a little bit of product. So I highly recommend you add a little bit of water in there to kind of, you know, saturate the hair, and that way you're not using up all of your good product. And as I mentioned, I like doing this on the mannequin head. That way I can go in and style the hair. I can make sure it's detangled, and then I can let the curls or crimps set while I do the rest of my install process, and then we're good to go. Once I've gotten a good amount of product in there and I like the consistency, I'm going to go in with a Tangle Teaser style brush and just bring back the waves in a immaculate way that I don't know what it is about these brushes, but they are like magic. It doesn't matter how nice and beautiful the hair is naturally, these just add a flawless touch to it that I love so much. So the one I'm using is a handheld one, and usually I'll use this one in the sink to detangle my wigs when I co-wash, and of course I'll have it linked in the description box, as well as the mannequin head and all the products you'll see me using today. As I did mention, this is a glueless install. We're not going to be using any heat or anything like that, which makes it super simple and easy. This will work great as a gym wig. You can tie it up in a bun, a top knot, or whatever style you like. You can even put it in one beautiful braid going back or 2, and that will work as well. While I allow the wig to set, I'm going to go in and work on my hair. Now again, this is a quick install, so it took me about 5 minutes or so to go in and restyle the hair. It did come looking like this out of the package with the crimps, but as I did mention, I have been rocking it in real life because I wanted to give it a test and just make sure that they weren't sending you guys anything that wasn't anything but superior quality, and it definitely passed the test. Now here I am, I'm using a newer product that I haven't really been using on my edges in the past, and this is what I've been loving so far. Now because I have very thin edges, what I do is I take a rat tail comb and I separate the edges that I want to use as baby hair, and then I'll go in with a baby hair brush and my edge control of choice. This Grip It gel has been working wonders for me because my natural hair is pretty much natural. I find that a lot of products, a lot of gels will make the hair revert very fast and very easy, and this has been keeping the style and pretty much has been the best for me. And if you guys have been watching my pretty much my journey here on YouTube in the last couple of months with these headband wigs, you guys know I've come a long way. I definitely still have a little bit more practice and work to do because I would definitely still like it to be a little bit more full, but now I feel like a normal human being. Like my edges don't look too bad. Now, typically I like to style my wigs on the wig head, allow them to set on the mannequin head. If we're doing a wet style, I love to allow it to dry overnight. That way it can be completely dry, because I personally don't like wet hair on me. Luckily, I didn't get this one too wet and it was just a little bit damp, so it did set for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes and we're good to go with the install. All I do is literally just apply it on my head. As long as my hair underneath is braided up, literally that's all you have to do. I do like to take and use those adjustable straps and make it as tight as it can go. And then with the actual band that you see there, I kind of will crimp it up or scrunch it up so that it is as small and tiny as possible. And literally, that's it. Do your baby hair, put the wig on, and you are ready to go. And look how beautiful the crimps are. I'm absolutely amazed. I think these are literally some of the best crimps without doing like a crimper, you know, hot tool situation. This is literally natural hair and look how beautiful it comes out. And as I've mentioned, I've worn this hair out. I've worn it for quite a few days with my mask on, hanging around the house, and it doesn't tangle or shed so excessively that, you know, it's unbearable. It's super nice and simple and easy. I did pair it with the blue headband and I think it looks super good. Stay tuned for the pictures because they came out super fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out RoyalMe. A link to this wig as well as a coupon code are listed in the description box for you guys to check out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!